Schmiere Rumble 59, the hard, and obviously that's all in German, so I don't speak German, so read with that what you will. I got this as a recommendation when I was looking for basically oil pomades, which are my favorite pomades, so let's give it a shot. On the inside, when you open it up, it has like an orange tangerine smell. It smells really nice. And let me go ahead and wet my hair. All right, my hair is wet now. And let's go ahead. So you see, I've already tried a little bit of it. And let's get some product. Just about a dime size will do you. In my experience of doing this for many years. Step back a little bit, emulsify it in your hands. Being it's an oil based, I tend to trust it more. And I'll tell you why here in a second. So here we go. Brush it back. All right. And what I look for is flyaways. So my flyaways are ones that stick out. So what I like to do is put my glasses back on. I'll search, so you see some here. So what I like to do is take a little bit more of this. Not very much, just a little bit. And then rub it between two fingers like this. All right. And then go look. And then put those flyaways down. All right. Then I go and find the part here. Pull that to the side. Push it back. Slick it back. And then basically pull this forward. And here we go. That's my version of a side pump. So if you notice, what I love about oil pomades is you can rework them and they're a lot more malleable. They don't get like helmet head and things like that. If you notice here, I think it looks really nice. So definitely would recommend. And like I said, I've tried this before, so even with a little buildup, I think it holds better. But most oil-based pomades do once they get to where they are in your hair a few days. You don't need as much product, even just not even a dime size. You need very little, and it'll work. And it's much easier, in my opinion, than water-based. I would strongly recommend this product. It has held on my hair so far, and I do enjoy it. The reason why I like oil-based because I live in a hot climate, and water-based sweats out of my hair where this does not. So that's one thing I do love about oil-based products. I will leave the prospectors video that I did on another pomade as the follow-on video. I'm also on Instagram, so please follow me there. That'll be linked down in the description. I'm also on Patreon as well. That'll also be linked down in the description. If today's the day that enters the description, I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys very much. Have a wonderful day.